Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 Kirkgate in Cupar. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom upper maisonette. Huge bonus behind this, you've got an outstanding outdoor garden space, fully enclosed, pet and family friendly. I'm just going to meet you upstairs and take you on the tour. So we're just at the rear of the property, so this is where the entrance is, and you can see a little sneak peek over the garden way, and I'll show you that when we're at the end of the video. So immediately come into the entrance vestibule, so great space for downing the boots and coats, and then we go into the main living space. So we're going to start upstairs. Instantly you'll see lovely and bright in the stairwell. You've got that nice Velux window lit and a lot of natural light coming in. So we head up, you've got quite an open landing up here as well. So a nice little working social space, maybe get a nice chair area in here. Then we're going to head into bedroom number 1. So it's a lovely size double. Nice and bright as you can see. Got a home office desk working space in here, so that's great. And you can see lots of living space. It's a great sized room. Big bonus is the views. So you've got these fantastic views across the countryside. It's just lovely. So that's bedroom number 1, lovely and spacious as you can see. Then go back into the upper landing, which again, as you can see, is really spacious. You've got that seating arrangement, as I said. You go straight into bedroom number 2. So really nice size bedroom. Big furniture pieces as well, lots of space. It's a great sized room. Really nice size. And again, it benefits from those fabulous views across the countryside. And you can see there the St Columba's Church there as well, because you are right on the Kirkgate, so it's a great location. From here we're going to head downstairs. So we're heading downstairs back into the inner hallway. You do actually have a bedroom on this level as well, which is fantastic. So bedroom number 3, which is currently utilised as a working space and art room, but it's a nice sized room, so you could comfortably make this a bedroom. You could potentially make it a dining room. You don't necessarily need that though. Again, you've got the great views to the front, and you'll see why you don't need it as a dining room in a second. Then we head out. I love these oak doors, they're nice, aren't they? Go into the living space. So again, great working space here. You could easily get a home office area in here. You could put a dining table in here as well, although you don't necessarily need it. That's a big L-shaped sofa, and there's still plenty of room in here. It's a really nice sized room. Really spacious for an upper maisonette. You're right in the centre of town too. Again, you've got the views to the front. It's a lovely space. Then from here we head into the kitchen. So straight ahead we go into the kitchen, and you can see why you don't need dining space anywhere else. That's a great dining area in the kitchen. So you've got the bench, table and chair set. Lots of room for that. It's a great open plan space. Again, you've got these beautiful views across to the front. As you can see, it's a nice space. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor above. You also have the benefit of an integrated freezer and fridge. You've got all this social space too, which is fabulous. Right, now we're going to head out into the garden. So it's actually phenomenal that you've got this garden space with this property. So it really is a lovely outdoor area. So instantly we come down, you'll see you've got this shared area here at the bottom of the steps. You also have the share pen that comes in from Kirkgate to give you access. This workshop comes with the property as well, and this is actually quite a big workshop. So you can see here as well just the sheer length of it, and it has power and plumbing as well, so that is a great facility to have in your garden. So lots of potential with what that could be used for. And actually to the left hand side is all of the garden that comes with the property. Isn't that fantastic? Right in the centre of town. Brilliant. So this is a really nice social safe space. So the current owners keep it gated for their pets, but equally just as great an enclosed space for young children. So it offers versatile social space as well. So I'm just going to walk up the garden, give you a flavour for how long the garden is. Got a really nice patio area here, so great for your entertaining. Got a nice swing area. You can see here they've got a lovely Summerhouse. You've got bin storage area as well, so that's great. That keeps it out of the garden, and big barbecue area too. But if we just flip that round, and you can just see the size of the garden, isn't it lovely? And you can see obviously the back of the house, so the workshop and the property. Isn't that lovely? It's a great garden space. I'm just going to take a little seat on the swing. So just to recap, this is 7 Kirkgate in Cupar. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom upper maisonette. You've got a lovely dining kitchen, move-in condition. It's in a great location. The garden is the big bonus though, isn't it? To have this in the centre of town. You're literally on the Kirkgate, so you're only about an 8-minute walk and you're at Cupar train station. So it's fantastic for your commute to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. City, town living, you've got it all here. So you've got all of the amenities, the bars, the restaurants, the bistros, all the social space with the park. Then you've got Duffus Park as well. You've got walking routes, cycling routes, Belbaxter High School, you've got primary schools, literally everything on your doorstep. So it's a fantastic family home. This one's on market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £165,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. And likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. And it's Perry at 5 Properties today. Feeling quite relaxed on this swing actually. Take care. Bye bye.